Hello everyone. Like today's topic is cryptocurrency. It is one of the most popular topics in today's time, and I'm sure that you would love to hear on this topic. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is made up of two words, crypto and currency. The meaning of crypto is secret or code or encryption, and currency we all know is a medium through which we buy or sell things. So cryptocurrency means the currency which is generated through various encryption or coding techniques, and whose transfer is stored on various servers through encryption techniques on a decentralized network is called cryptocurrency. Now, how is it different from fiat currency? Do you know what are fiat currencies? Fiat currencies are like the paper currency, the Indian rupee, the euro, the global British pound, or the US dollar, and the list goes on. So there are some points of differences between cryptocurrencies and the fiat currency. Cryptocurrencies are currencies which we can't see. They don't exist physically. We can see them in our online wallets or on the exchange logins. But physical currency is something which we can see in the forms of papers, coins, checks or bills, and also the money in our bank account also forms part of the fiat currency only. Now, the fiat currencies are controlled by the central government or the treasury of the country, but cryptocurrency is not controlled by a single country or any authority. Cryptocurrency's control is decentralized. The generation of cryptocurrency is done by miners through various mining software and encryption techniques, whereas fiat currency is like printed by the treasury or like minted in the government mints. Also, a major point of difference between both of them is this, that the supply of fiat currencies is unlimited, whereas the supply of cryptocurrencies is limited. Like I'll give you an example. Bitcoin, which is one of the first and most famous cryptocurrency in today's time, its supply is limited to 21 million. Okay, so cryptocurrency have a limited supply, whereas fiat currencies have unlimited supply. Now I'll come to some frequently asked questions which we have in our mind while investing or trading in crypto. Most of us have means been trading in cryptocurrency. So but this question always affects our mind, that whether trading in cryptocurrency is legal, because every day we see some or the other article in the newspaper which is throwing light on cryptocurrency, that government is issuing regulations to ban it, government is asking everyone to be cautious while dealing in cryptocurrency. So I will like to clarify over here that trading in cryptocurrency, like the buying or selling in cryptocurrency, is totally legal, provided you consider all the risks attached to it before investing in it. Now the second question comes, whether cryptocurrency is a legal tender in India. Legal tender means like whether we can use cryptocurrency while buying anything. Like if you want to buy a car and you go to the showroom and say, I don't want to pay you through RTGS or NEFT, I would like to pay you through cryptocurrency. So that is not allowed in most of the countries across the world. Cryptocurrencies as of now has not been recognized as a legal tender. Okay. Third point comes, what are the risks and awards associated with investing in cryptocurrency. Likewise, we know that when we invest in stock markets or real estate or mutual funds, there are certain risks and rewards associated to the respective investment. Same is the case with cryptocurrency. When you invest in cryptocurrency, you can have huge gains and huge losses, because the market of cryptocurrencies remain volatile. Okay, the volatility reason is this, that there is no single authority which governs the cryptocurrency market, so their prices vary very frequently and in huge proportions. So that is one of the major risks associated with cryptocurrency, and that is of volatility. Also means in today's time many new currencies are being launched which we can't ascertain whether how genuine they are, and whether we should go in it or not. So these are some major risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency, and you should be aware and well versed with all these areas before investing in cryptocurrency. That's all for today, and keep watching our channel to know more about cryptocurrency. Thank you very much.